Hey everyone, welcome to Blonde Fox Creations YouTube channel. I'm Julie and today we are going to be talking about candle science. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we've got inside. Looks like we're having a peanut party today. Candle Science is great about packing their products really well just to make sure that nothing gets lost, nothing gets broken. We're gonna take out all these peanuts. All right, let's start digging in. So first is gonna be the candle wicks. These are the Sweetie 16 6-inch pre-tabbed wicks. Comes 100 in a bag, so if you're gonna practice or you just wanna use different kinds of wax or wicks, they have several different kinds that you can choose from. So just pick whatever you think would be best with your soy and just do some research on that because these are the ones I like to use in most of my candles, but there are different kinds for different waxes. These are also these are the Wicks stickers. These are the 100-piece Wicks stickers. You're gonna definitely need those because you can't really use your wicks without them. So these are some of the new fragrances that Candle Science has come out with for spring and summer. So this is the passion fruit pineapple. Love the smell of this, so I can't wait to use this in a candle and see how it burns. As you can see, there's quite a few things packed in one awesome box. Like I said, you can camera. I moved the camera. I forgot that was there. This is also one of their new fragrances. This is their strawberries and cream. This is their coconut lime verbena. That's a great summer smell. It just reminds you of the beach. And of course, watermelon. Watermelon, such a great fragrance. So Candle Science is really great when they run a lot of promotions. One of them is if you spend $25 or more, at least right now, you'll get a 1-ounce fragrance sample size. So you can choose from all the fragrances they have available. So this is the High Tide, and it is the fragrance that I really want to try because I really kind of wanted something that's ocean and clean smelling. So we're gonna try that out and see how that goes. And then I also just purchased some new dyes. So these are just your basic colors, red, yellow, orange, blue, and green. Since you pretty much can mix these colors any different way, I wanted to just try their basic colors. And then I also purchased 2 different kinds of waxes. One is their standard soy wax. This is what I typically use in my candles. This is our Golden Brown 464 soy wax. It does come in flakes, so it's easy to measure in your equipment. It's not as difficult as the other waxes that come in the slabs, which you're going to see in a second. So again, this is just their soy wax, their most common soy wax, 464. And then this other wax is just something I haven't ever used for, and like I said, used before, like I said, this comes in a slab. So this is something that you would have to measure pretty carefully. You'll have to cut it up, so you'll need something, a strong knife of some kind. Again, it's wax, so it's not too hard to cut, but you will want to be careful about your measurements. But this is their paraffin soy wax. So this is a combination of paraffin wax and soy and blended together. So typically, from what I understand, from what I have researched, this gives a little bit more vibrant colors in your wax candles. The soy is going to be a little bit more muted. So I wanted to kind of try out both and see how that goes. So we'll do some tester candles and see how the colors turn out and how the fragrances match up with these 2 waxes. And the great thing about these dyes also is they come with these really nice little droppers. So you can kind of just do 1 drop at a time if you want. Typically with dyes, you don't want to have to use too much. So this 4-ounce bottle doesn't seem like a lot, but it should last you a little while because you usually only need 1 or 2 drops depending on what you want your candle to look like and how big your candle is. So, but it should last you a little while. But they have a few other colors that I don't have just yet. So feel free to check out their website, and again, look at all their options they have for fragrances and for dyes, and see if there's something that you might want to try out for yourself. Thanks. Have a great day.